Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Lisbon, Portugal, and I'm in the main square, and I'll tell you the main square name in a second, but it's Christmas time, and you can see the Christmas tree right there, and you can see the big government building right over there too. It's pretty amazing, but let me show you the square. It's pretty cool. Okay, so the Christmas tree I thought was amazing. I mean, it's got this door right here, but it is huge. I mean, that's probably 4 stories, maybe 3.5, I don't know. But this is the square, and it is enormous. And the yellow is really cool, and that's the front of it right there. Let me zoom in on this for you so you can see it really well. Very neat. And then it goes all the way around. So I'll get over to the other side so you can see how big it is, and I'll just pan really slowly so you can see where it's at. And they got a beer museum. We don't drink beer no more. Pretty amazing. Wow. And it's got this huge statue in the middle too, which is really cool. And it's enormous. I mean, can you see how big this place is? I mean, you know, huge, huge. Let's see if I can find the name of the square here for you. It is Praça do Comércio. Praça de Comércio. And I know I'm saying that wrong, but it sounds like a square of commerce or something. I don't know. I don't know for sure, but I'm just guessing. Amazing. Let's go out here, and it sits right on the water, and they call this a river, not the sea. Every time that somebody says something, you have to go to the river. You have to go to the river, across the river, or whatever. Like the best seafood, they always say, is across the river. And so there's a boat you can take for like $1.40 that will take you to the other side, and that's where the Christ statue is and everything else. Amazing. Wow. And the arch is huge. Let me see if I can get both of these in here for you. Very nice. And I think they're going to do more Christmas market stuff out here too. I think they're just trying to get it all set up and stuff too. So I'm going to zoom in on that arch, and I won't waste your time. How's that sound? Cool. Okay. All right, everybody. Where you can see people dancing. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for coming with me, everybody. And welcome to Lisbon, Portugal. Cool. Bye-bye. All right, one more picture of that. Okay. Bye, everybody.